Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tried.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's tutorial is for the PS4 error issues on the hard drives. So I'm just gonna show you today how you can fix the error. If you want to do an update on your hard drive, if you want to install a new hard drive, or if you have any corruption on your hard drive, you can follow those steps and I will show you in the end how you can fix those errors. So on my case, I have this issue. Anytime I turn on the PS4, it will just start loading. You go to one step and it will says error. So let's see right here, they will ask me to press the button on the PlayStation. Once I click on it, there you go, you will see that there is an error, and that's on the safe mode. Okay, so first we're gonna go to google.com, we're gonna type in PS4 firmware download. We'll go to the main website for the PS4, click on it. At this moment it's 6.50 is the newest firmware, and maybe later on guys, if there is another version which is newer than that one, you follow the same step. It's only you download what you needed. So at this one 6.50, and go to this page, and then don't click on this first one. Let me just show you, not this blue button. You scroll all the way down, but before that let me just create the folder so you can see how does it work. Where are we gonna put the firmware? First we're gonna create this folder right here. Go, like on my case, I do have a USB plugged into my computer. First of all, we're gonna go and check exFAT. That's how we're gonna format the memory that we have. If you don't do this format, the PS4 will not recognize your your memory. So on this case, we go here, click, and create the folder. We're gonna name it PS4 all capital letters, and then inside that folder we're gonna create another folder named update, and the same thing, it's all capital letters. Scroll all the way down, and here you're gonna see the download folder, and usually the folder for this one is about 1 gigabyte, about 900 something megabytes. That's the folder. If it's less than that, don't download it, it's not gonna work and you're still gonna have the same error. So it's the folder that has more megabytes, about almost 1 gigabyte, 9-ish megabytes. Okay, so I'm just showing it right here. If you click on it with the right button, you're gonna see the characteristic of that one. All right, so here we go. It's already loaded. In my case, I clicked on the first one and then copy it, then download the second one. That's why it shows there the number 1. So what I'm gonna do is just wait until it's loaded and copy it to this folder, the update folder. Then I'm gonna rename it. Okay, then we're gonna click the PS4 after we already finished copying on the firmware on the on the memory card. Just enter it to the PS4, click OK. It's not gonna read. I'll show you why. So what you have to do, press the button and wait about 7 seconds until you hear a beep. It's like the power beep. Okay, if it doesn't work, release and then press on it. Press the power button, keep holding, and you're gonna hear a beep. There you go. Once you hear this beep, it will just power to the safe mode, and they will ask you to connect the remote controller. Scroll all the way to 7. Click insert the memory card, click OK, and all you have to do now is just wait and follow the steps. On this case, I'm just gonna forward it because it's a process that takes longer depending on the speed of the hard drive on the PS4. So we go click here, OK, Okay, so I'll just after finishing installing at 100%, the PS4 will be restarted. And when it turns on, so you will see that everything is being installed. You just have to follow the process and everything should work perfect. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.